Assalamu alaikum learners, how are you all? Honestly, today's video is going to be a game changer for you. Why? Because today I'm introducing you to a powerful free tool, Meta AI, through which you can create long videos, whether it's 10 minutes or even 30 minutes, in a professional way. The key is smooth flow, no cuts, no breaks, and a consistent character. That's what makes your content stand out. Everything will be generated in one continuous flow. Sounds crazy, right? Alright, let's go step by step. Step 1, script creation. First, open ChatGPT and generate your video script. For example, you can type, give me a 200-word script on never give up. Let me share a short inspirational story. Within seconds, your script will be ready. But wait, the work doesn't stop here. Now we move to image creation. Step 2, image prompts. Now give ChatGPT another command. Convert the script into scene-wise image prompts. What will happen? ChatGPT will automatically divide your story into different scenes and generate image prompts for each scene. Nice, right? Now go one step further. Give another command. Convert these image prompts into video prompts. Now you'll have scene-by-scene video prompts ready. This part is very important. We'll use these in Meta AI. Go to Google and search Meta AI and log in. After logging in, you'll see a clean interface. On the left side, click on Create. Select image mode and choose the aspect ratio 16:9. Copy your first image prompt and paste it there. Click Generate. You'll get multiple images and choose the best one. You can also restyle it like 3D, cinematic, etc. Now you'll see the option Animate or Custom Animate. Use Animate for simple videos. Use Custom Animate if you want more control. Paste your first video prompt. Optionally, add music. Click Animate and within seconds your video will be ready. Here comes the real trick. Meta AI doesn't allow direct end frame copying. So what do? 1. Download the video. 2. Play it. Step 3. Pause at the end. Take a screenshot. This screenshot will act as your bridge frame. Open Meta AI again. Select video mode this time. Upload the last frame screenshot. Paste the next scene's video prompt. Click Animate. Result? The video will continue smoothly, no cuts, no jumps. Repeat the same process for every scene. Take the last frame screenshot and use it for the next scene. This way, your entire video will feel like one smooth, continuous flow. Now import all clips into software like Premiere Pro, Canva, CapCut. Arrange them in sequence. For copyright-free music, use the YouTube audio library. Simply search for tracks, then download and use them. It's a great resource for creators. You'll see, no cuts, no jumps, just a smooth cinematic flow. Yes, it takes a bit of effort, but it's completely free. Alright guys, I hope this tutorial was super helpful for you. Definitely try this method, you'll love the results. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching, like, share, and subscribe my channel.